In this video, we will learn how to put the linear regression model using the matrix notation. How do we write the linear regression model in the matrix notation? This is the model given, and this model is known as the linear regression model or the Ankover. So, solution. The first thing we'll note that our linear regression, our general linear regression model is written in this form, where our y is the response variable. We call it response variable. The x is the design matrix, The b is our model parameter, and this is our error. Now, if we work out from this type of model, what do? We see that we have how many observations here? We have 3, 2, and 2. So it then means that y is 3 times 2 times 2, which is 12 observations. 12 observations. And from what we have here, it then means that our matrix is 12 by 1. 12 by 1 matrix. Because we have 12 observations. Now, how about the x? The x, as we can see, is a 12 by 1, 2, 3. 12 by 3 matrix. So here we have a 12 by 3 matrix. How about our b? Our b, we have a 3 by 1. 1, 2, 3. This is a parameter, this is a parameter, this is another parameter. So we have 3 by 1 parameter, and our error thing we have 12 by 1 parameter. So how do we compute all of this? We have a 12 by 1 matrix here. So our y will be equal to, the first thing to do, since it's 12 by 1, we write y into 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is 12. Now, how do we compute? How do we compute what we have here? That means our values for I, J, K. How do we compute our values for I, J, K, given the model? Now we have here to be, the first thing you do, you say 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. That is the first thing you do. Now, the next thing you do is 1, 1, 2, 2, and 3, 3. You start again. 1, 1, 2, 2, and 3, 3. Now, how do you also compute the next one? The next one, which is IJK. IJK is like writing our YI here to be IJK, because it's a 12 by 1 matrix. So we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So this is how we can compute our values for y. This is how we can compute our values for y. Now, the next thing to do, since we have this as our constant, our x, is equal to, the first one is This is a constant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. The next one is bj, just j, values for j. So we have the first one is 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here we have 1, 1, 1, 1, 4, 5, and 6. So that is what we get for bj. Now, the next thing we get is our values for x. Our values for x. Our value for x is ijk. Ijk. So our values for x all through is just the same thing we have here. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, x, 1, 2, 2, x, 1, 3, 1, x, 1, 3, 2, x, 2, 1, 1, x, 2, 1, 2, x, 2, 2, 1, x, 2, 2, 2, x, 2, 3, 1, and x, 2, 3, 2. So these are metrics for x. The next thing we have here is our model parameter. And our model parameter, we just have three parameters, which is mu, beta, and gamma. So we have to write it here. Our b is equal to, we write our mu, our beta, and our gamma. And the next one we have here is our error term. Our error term we said is 12 by 1. 12 by 1 matrix. So we still have E 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, E 1, 2, 1, E 1, 2, 2, E 1, 3, 1, E 1, 3, 2, E 2, 1, 1, E 2, 1, 2, E 2, 2, 1, E 2, 2, 2, E 2, 3, 1, and E 2, 3, 2. So this is what we have. This is how we can compute our metric notation for this particular model. For this particular model. And we should also note that we said our model is equal to y is equal to xb plus e. So we can write the whole of this as y is equal to xb plus e. How do we do that? We have to delete all these parts. We have to delete everything here from the board to do that. So we'll write it out. We'll delete this. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. We should also note how we got our observations. Our observations for the response variables is 3 times 2 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. That is how we got 12 by 1 matrix. And for our design matrix is X. So because of style coding, that is how we got, this is our constant normal. And because of cell coding, that is how we got 0, 0 into 6 here and 1, 1, 1 into 6 this way plus our X. So that is it. We can now write this our matrix in this form. Y is equal to XB plus E. So for more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. So the first one is y, which we can just write y 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the first one is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 1, 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 1, and 2, 3, 2. We put it this way. Y will now be equal to our xb. X, you can write it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, from our circle, we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For the x values, we have x 1, 1, 1, x 1, 1, 2, x 1, 2, 1, x 1, 2, 2, x 1, 3, 1, x 1, 3, 2, x 2, 1, 1, x 2, 1, 2, x 2, 2, 1, x 2, 2, 2, x 2, 3, 1, and x 2, 3, 2. So these are our x values, and we have our b to be mu b and our gamma sign plus what we have for our error. Our error 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 1, 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 1, and lastly 2, 3, 2. So this is simply how we can compute, how we can put our linear regression model into the matrix form. This is how we can do that. And if you follow these procedures, you can easily put any model into the matrix notation. So we have succeeded in putting our linear regression model given into the matrix notation. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.